Memo akwaba eba me forex trading in twi adwumadi na me di e wo YouTube ha no me dey Judgment Carter me forex trader me dey ato me ho so say me kire forex trading in twi se ne be ya Ghana ni emabulu bi abeti ase we nye bluff sem enti ene ni dey di ka ho me channel na so ni me yes oye subscribe to me channel no na turn on notification bell se ne be ya me post video bi a obete kpenkran mo me yanko ene ni ye besu ade afa ho ye Forex Foundation ye ka foundation ko e de ben bibiara wo wiase bia wo pese wo hu a ese wo sua na wo form ahyase no na the funny thing about ade bia wo wiase bia ne say wunya te form na so no dey easy yanko e dey ekura ne forex minimum say what forex wo wiase afa na nyina wo ba internet isu ni social media obi asore na forex trading aban sorry forex tv for sorry forex cry day no ha na bi mu chat me say Josh, I want to learn forest and your forest enwurem enwiane ni sa nyoma na baby a enipa ntena mu agu no eho na your forest we your forex word no forex and forest and rest minimum say mu bebre mu ti din na ya na ya mu say forest trading there be forex trading na eden kura ne forex ne ye abbreviation no unima omatwa so eni foreign exchange and omatwa so aye forex once foreign no FOR no mami mi pe na menchiro ade eni forex once aye forex yes it's no foreign exchange market ka foreign exchange market nso a global market where the value of currencies are traded. Value ben ena ye kan wasem. Na forex market no ewiase nyina ye pedwa eso pa ene ne forex market. Foreign exchange market. Eho ena sika digwa. Sika ye nimi bi te se Ghana cedi, US dollar, euros, Great British pound. Se scan eho ne digwa. Eno ne ewiase edwa eso a enkofo eton sika sika change hand say if nipa ba ko ne ko nipa ba ko eno eni edwa eso mo wiase ye wo edwa bi te say stock market me video ba ko me ka ho asem stock market for companies obiti ne company na opese oba be investment wo ma ontimi ma ho wo fie eti wo de be ko stock market na wo de the company na to say wo pese we are part of the company and as we invest works our company moon brand beto shares o float shares our bontinen nkofo ato MTN for yate Ghana ha omu ye bi eme ye nyina ye hui say Ghana ni aya say we Ghana ni unso ultimate only part of MTN into omu ton shares enya MTN kwa Access Bank GCB omu nyina ton shares eno no ye stock market ene ye sawo crypto market no cryptocurrencies digital currencies bit is a Bitcoin your currencies bebre our crypto market and only digital currencies yes also commodity market yaka commodity market raw materials a bit is a gold, silver, oil, timber commodity, soya bean commodity and no commodity market and forex market and only sika get sika yedi wiase and no na your friend of forex market and no na menu mienu yanso ye pese yenye sika wo munti you better trade the forex market. Banks also trade the forex market wo. Menumi enunso trade the forex market wo. Hedge funds ye omo margin ko sika. So omo invest omo so trade wo ho. Bank odi sika na akoto wo no. So omo de ye adwuma. Bank bit say Chase Bank, Barclays Bank, omo nyina wo forex market wo. Omo so edigwa wo ho enye sika. Enya mfaso se ne be ya odi sika akoto a omo benya bi atu ama wo. Interest what you say etiano so ye kwan ba akwa bank ne faso edinya mfaso etu bi ma omo de musika abeto no hefo na edigwa wo forex market wo market participant why mu ene edigwa wo forex market wo ka we trade za eye menu mienu ye ni a yesika fia bi no sa $10 bi ni $5 bi no $100 ni $200 ni 1000 5000 10000 50000 $100,000 yesika keto bi wo forex so ukojo mi se ukodigwa $500,000 in yeska millions and omo trade wo afenso omo take part omo make majority of the forex market about 90% omo ye banks, hedge funds, trading firms Yawo edwumaku a omomo enkofo dis kama omo no ma be invest. Yawo hedge funds, yawo banks, yawo companies omo so diga omo make part of 90% of the daily volume. Ya kasika e koso wo dwanimu a 90% san krofo na de ba omo na kase dwane be koso enye menu mienu usika fia no sa $100,000 no untimi fa emove dwa sa $500,000 no untimi fa emove dwa eye banks, hedge funds, trading firms omo na etimi ye sa de no enye menu mienu. So all that we can do menu mienu ne betimi ya ne say we follow their footprint by using technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis. Na yene hu se edwa no ebekọ so na se ebekọ fom ana sika we bo be ye ache sika we na ye de adi akire. So we follow their footprint. Baby a omo kono na ye nso ye de sika fia no edi omachi. Afei ye hwe market timing. Time ben na obetimi trade forex market no. Forex market dwa no ebie 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. A chance here ewo Ghana ha 10 p.m. Sunday to Friday 9 p.m. But that time we a change unum say emre bi ba na Ghana ye ne UK a time ye pe emre bi so beba na omo che ye 1 hour. Eto omo be che ye 1 hour na obo say that time we e be change. Ubetimi a trade forex from Sunday to Friday numre, which is Sunday numre to Friday numre. But you will edwa bi wo ha eno de ebie 24/7, which is 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Eno ne crypto market no. Cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin e market na ebie de bia wo betimi atrade. Na eya me ya say obi a waba trade mu foforo e trade Bitcoin USD. Enya forex na wo trade cryptocurrency. Beginner enka wo de Bitcoin fa ho ben. Enso enya mo moko social media na hu so bia e trade Bitcoin ti hu social asset wo trade no Bitcoin na person de share kire na me nkoso e forex market no ye wo ade bi nso a ye friend sessions ye wo sessions ahodo miensa London session, New York session and Asia session. London session no e for Europe, even though ye wo German session wo ho which is Frankfurt eno nso e wo ho eno no enye major session. Eti enka ho asem Asia session nso no ye wo mu awodo mienu. Ye wo Sydney session which is for Australia and ye wo Tokyo session which is for Japan. London session no oba Ghana ha from November to March ebie 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Nanso say ade ebie from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. If we say UK for no say omo elidi by 1 hour. New York session no eno nso ebie from 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Say we mu de no eba 8 a.m. na ene yene de ne pa New York session no ebie 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. Esesa and afen so ye wo Asia session eno nso bie from 11 p.m. to 8 a.m. nanso ene ebie from 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. because of say time na change no shesa de no so London session any New York session eye ebra ubetimi atrade pa if you say during that time no enkofo bebre etrade banks industry companies etrade during that time no na time a wutimi etrade edwa no etimi moving temper so ye from 12 p.m. ekosi 5 p.m. no if you say sabre no London session bi New York session so bi eye overlap baako ada baako so but Asia session there I close see it during these times from this session London session to New York session from 12 p.m. area to 5 p.m. no there is a lot of volume in the market. Volatility equals low pa. Asia session can provide some fresh volatility for the market and even reversals for some pairs. Near Asia patching in an say Asia session e disika foforo ebebe dwanim ebi wo mpo a ema edwane san fan se edwa no ekosuro se ya obo se Asia session obi anim se edwa no ekosuro bo Asia session ne de beba form reversals even reversals no say na se patching enye pairs ni nyina na yesa it depend pair o trade ena enye pairs ni nyina na benya impact no ebi mbenya ebi munya ento aso say no me no besua terminologies adwuma bia ni mu asem police for omo terms asoja for omo terms bankers e omo terms forex yes we terms crypto for one more terms, stock for also one more terms. Into forex your terms in here. So you never to trim. Me pesa wote nyoma we nyina se na wote terms ni nyina se it wote a anya wo ade foforo. Term edin kan ye behwe ye pips. Say ye ka pips a. Pips are how we measure changes in currency values. The value of a currency pair. Eno any friend pips. A percentage change in price. Eno any friend pips. So we be ka say I have long odd USD and I GBP USD. The option ni say wato GBP USD. So we be so ka shorter. The option ni say me ton GBP USD. And a short. It will take long and shorter, and you're confused. As simple as A, B, C, D. And now what is will be so about confluence? Confluence. Me say me share idea we have a confluence. Me watch like me. Now me share video. Hey, they apply the confluence. There's this guy. He will come online and be like, so when I had the confluence, I entered the trade. I was like, hey, there comes only confluence. So confluence in your shoe. Confluence, yes, say. Owo ade bi abeye enum na wo twa masa ade enum ni nyina aya adwene ansa na wa enter wo trade eti se ba kompo ene enan na anya adwena ye enter ebetimi aye ade nan ade mienu ade miensa ansa na wa enter wo trade enu na yefe confluence ena afem so ye fle bi volume enu no so ye edwa no activities e ekoso the amount of trades are ekoso wo within a particular or specific time. It will be say there is a certain pair. Maybe only the about a year. Maybe at 12 p.m. and now 12:30 p.m. We will say a moving temper. That is the volume in the markets. Your flabby being so liquidity. Liquidity ye orders are a how many buyers or sellers are in the market? And your friend liquidity, but liquidity you will be your friend liquidity concept. Ye bedi hu komo actually na wate eno nso ase e ya de hu hia pa wote sa de wi ase a ebeboa ena afa nso ye fra bibi replacement eno a na esa afa no pullback eno a so na esa afa no correction ye nyina yenim se edwa no ekosoro se we ye beka se edwa na ekosoro na nso ne yatie ni edwa no enkosoro se ese ekosoro kakra na aba form kakra ansa na akoso kakra ansa na abafom kakra sa efom na eba no emra ekosoro no edin the pullback correction and I say replacement enya esoro nko a ekofom so asa na efre no yemfa ne say yes sell say gwan beba fom emma fom at once say eyese ba kakra into way eba fom say ya edin the continuation continue with the trend say from but a bus to say a pullback as I to also say a continuation it moves in zigzag form a movie in a straight line say a movie in zigzag tiano ne friend pullback say ye kosoro na a ba forma eno ne pullback a kosoro bi ma eno ne ye continuation sanso na e kofom na e kosoro a and also a pullback. Say a call from in salsa and only a continuation. Na obi bebusa say a judgment. Wakasa be brede kuna ye trade wo gwanim. Forex gwane den ye trade kwa me wakasa che. Akwesi wakasa che ka bibi fa ade ye trade wo gwanim. Ade ye trade wo gwanim forex market no ye sika. Physical money. Ewiase oman edie. And ye diaba computer so and ye see a bit ready. My mention wa deal. Say what a Ghana now what is a US dollar no because I'm a Ghana cedi na beba for ma obeko akoto dollar bebre abeshem pass. Eti yamfa say what the 1,000 Ghana cedis and a koto $100 a what the besie na se e costo to send your more canana na se e could do 15 na meaning say what the $100 now to and sa ko se o koton wa omo be ma 1,005 e fa so sen e na unyan 500 Ghana cedis mame ma example bi wo ante akosua menu ama usika $100 ofi abrochilaba Oma $100 na nigye oso wo kokrum akosisa. Okwae na wo de $100 ne ma nipa na wo sisa ska no. Ena oma $1,125. Obra kwaku nkansa. Ono so buy afi ono so abema $100 biem. Wani age se o kosisa because wo anti buy no oma na kosisa no unya $1,125. Afi de wo koya na bochi ama 1,000 Ghana and 50 cedis. O say na bochi then na wo patch then na no me best say. Wo ma me $1,125. It's the same $100. But I didn't na bochi ene de wo ma me 1,050. Abochi say cedi na ho den akoslo dollar na ho den aba form. Eti eso ate. Sa pepe na forex tie. Ye trade sa na yenzo ye. We are trading the changes in a currency pair. Sa pepe and obroni e de aba computer so say yembe. It would forex trading near asia pa kide nyina no. Sa edwa na enkrofo di ne physical no. Eno na ye no computer so. Na eden na ye trade sika. Na ye trade. Ba say yetimi entrade sika ba akope. Ese ye ade mienu. Bibia eye pay bia eye ade mienu. We eye pay. We enye pay we yade ba ako. Etie ntimi entrade we ene ono ane ho. Age se eye pay enoma mienu enti we anyway which is 1 2 assign na yetimi atrade. Enu nti na ni din de currency pair. Example ni we euro, we US dollar. Ene wa asia no. We ene ye friend currency pair. Eye omai mienu sika. Eye euro ena US dollar. Ena ye group omo aye mienu. Ene ye friend pair. If say ade bia ye mienu bia eye pair. Na sa currency pair we no. Ni edin kan we say your friend no base currency, okay? Ana ne etoso mienu no ana se ne ewo wonsa enifa so no your friend no quote currency. Eti quote currency no e change eno ena ne din de quotation. Base currency no equal to 1 in change fixed. Me pesa make sure wase na wote ase easy. Base currency no eno no en change. Quote currency no en change. Sa wokọ abonten na say yewo USD Ghana cedi. Etu be hu say yewo USD Ghana cedi. Okọ banga na ase numre uhwe TV a no match do ya to. We na ye currency pair. We US dollar na we Ghana cedi. Na afe omatro 11.2510 na ketu ebi shedding change we your friend quotation. It is obi busa say what is the quotation for USD Ghana cedis? 11 Ghana cedis 25 pesos. Forget about the last two decimal. 11 Ghana cedis 25 pesos. Near adie we ase akire nyina ne say owo 11 Ghana cedis 25 pesos ubenya $1. Sanso na se ode 112 Ghana cedis 50 pesos ekwa ubenya $10. Way times 10 ena me yesisi a. Sanso na ode 1,125 Ghana cedis square ubenya $100, which is 11.25 times 100. Near asia chire nyina ne say se sa figure we ekosoro ba yemfa ne say if 11 Ghana cedis na ekọ ebia 12 Ghana cedis 50 pesos a pa kire say agise ukuta 12 Ghana cedis 50 pesos ansa na ubenya $1. Ena agise ukuta 1,250 Ghana cedis ansa na ubenya $100, which is this times 100. Ansa na ubenya $100. Say ekosu say ye ne omokani. The US dollar has appreciated against the Ghana cedis. Say efi 12 Ghana cedis or eba 10 Ghana cedis 50 pesos a eno na kire say Ghana cedi no ahoden akosoro ache US dollar no first no na uhia 12 Ghana cedi 50 pesos azana watimi anya $1 say see a uhia 10 Ghana cedis 50 pesos azana wanya $1. Until the Ghana cedis has appreciated against the US dollar. Atiasi. We can buy or sell a currency pair in the forex market. When you are trading, ubetimi buy and a sell currency pair. In this example, when we buy, we are essentially betting that price of the euro will go up against the value of the dollar. It is a yenya buy euro USD na ye pache nyina ne say euro no ahoden beko slow ache US dollar no. And our friends, so when we sell, we are betting that the price of the euro will fall against the value of the US dollar. So when we sell, what we are trying to say is say the US dollar no ahoden beko slow ache euro no. Eti yeti wiase sesi se entokwa esi US a obewu se euro na ho de bekoso ache US dollar because the US economy is not stable. Entokwa esi wo omani sika besen what you say enti na yen nyina yeti ewiase a enioma sisi we wiase no bon se affect sika we wiase. Say ye currency person so ye mu ahodo bebre. Ye wo major currencies, which is this one. Ye wo minor currencies and ye wo exotics. Mami nchire mu kakra ansa na matranso. Ye ka major currencies a eno ne ye oman bia omo a select omo eye baako 7 major currencies no. Sa major currencies no, it is made up of the US dollar. USD Ghana cedis enye major currency mesela obeka se US dollar no ye wo maya omo a select euro which is Europe esika, Japan for esika which is JPY, yen Japanese yen omo so sika no, GBP Great British Pound, UK for so sika, CHF Switzerland for sika which is Australia for sika. Yes, our NZD, which is New Zealand dollar. Eti yawo maya omo a selecte. Why mo na yewe ya first enkofon ISO, International Standardization Organization. They did this. Omo na kire se euro ebe ba sa na USD aba. Omo na e design say tinunu no yet me nyawa hwe. Yehwe minor currencies. As well as the majors, there are 14 minor currencies. With the high amount of volume that trades through the currency market, the minors trade practically the same as majors aside from some slightly wider spreads on some pairs. Enti yaka minors a sika na ewo majors na uhuno with the exception of the US dollar. Udi omumienu pair na be pairs a yefre omo minus. Yanko exotics. Nientia manka exotics wasem ewo me slides we hwa eni heavy. Nientia manka wasem say ye trade exotics. Exotics no so ye minor pairs ni nyina ofa baako. Na wo de pair any currency from a developing nation. Eno no ye minus. Developing nations ni bi eden. Ghana eti okofa USD from the major currency. Now what the bepe Ghana cedis are exotic. Different ways to trade. Forex again ekwan betimi afa so atrade aye ekwan mienu. Either say obe sell anase obe buy. Long buy, sell short sa anyoma mienu pe e na obetimi aye ewo forex again. Afe yanka pips ho asem we any a friend pips quotation on say euro USD new and so the quote ni we as a patch say ope 1 euro I just say ode $1 18 cents and san wait me 1 euro. It won't say numbers here we a quotation for euro USD. We a quotation for euro USD. Sa figures we any FN peps. O kan you fifth digit in frame. Na chance here e kan from fourth digit no. Enti aha once say ye nyina ye ko school. Yesua ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. It way once say from 1 2 3 to 9 once. From 10 ekokosi 99 tens into tens. From 100 kosi 999 hundreds into any. From thousands so kosi 9,999 and so thousands. And from 10,000 ekosi 99,999 and so 10,000s. By no the empire ho. Enti say we a movie e bia yemfa say wakwakoto euro USD say ebekosoro at this price. Say movie from 1.1875 eba 1.1885 say o kan a movie called 6 7 8 9 into on the 10th figure no and they do 80 and about 81 82 83 84 85 a movie 10 and no adding the 10 pips. Say a movie from 1.1875 na say call 1.1975 and also dia obeka say a movie 100 pips. If you say uti way free way ma 100 975 minus 875 100 into no 100 pips, with exception of the Japanese yen, which is Japan Fusika. And no a quotation is different. And no the quotation is different. Yen share Japanese yen any. One will say ushe euro na a shall here from ebia 1 point something, but we a shall here from hundreds and sana banichi. Show apart from Japanese yen, all the persons say na shasi. There are 5 digits after the decimal point. Decimal point in actually you have 5 digits. But ushe yen sikana after the decimal point you have 3 digits. But anymore no you have 3 digits in front. So 3 digits at the front, 3 digits at the back. By ushe era you have only 1 digit in front and you have 5 digits at the back. And also no near obeying nani say ignore the 3rd digit. The 3rd digit will ignore it and start from here. It way a movie from 137.45. So ignore the 0 to 137.50. You can say a movie by how many pips? 5 pips, because if we 45 and I call 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 45 minus 50, ASM 5. It's a movie 5 pips. So also not say a movie equal 137.80. 80 minus 45. And no, near you can say a movie by hot. How many pips? 35 pips. Say a movie na way be change 8. 7 way be change 8. A movie by 100 pips, because if we 45 to if we 745 to 845 a difference of 100 pips. One tia say mesle will be to ebusa question and ya bought your home modern sia air animal obeti sa nyoma we nyina ase Afei you call forex granima. Yes, also different ways to trade. This is different from the other one na meka ho asem no. Ye wo kwan bebre abefa so atrade. Na edi nkan ye market execution. Market execution say minya kodwanim na say the price of euro USD 1.35510. Na say minya buyer me price na mimi no edwa no e de me beto ho a ebe sha ase wo 1.3510, including spread. We will talk about it. It is a mia na 1.3510. I will buy or sell at this price. Your friend BB buy or sell limit and a buy or sell stop. And no say nati. Se uko dwenim na wo pese o buyer. Wo baba ho modern asset say bia say si a wo buy edwanim no. Wo buy edwanim no. Wo pese wo buy GBP USD and Euro USD. Ebo na ewo edwanim ye 1.3510. But pese wo be enter ewa ha. Wo say wo de eba 1.3505 and na wo pese wo enter. Eti ni obe say wo be set buy limit. Eti se e cost to say ya price cost to say ya na wo 1.3510 at this point. Wo de any say wo be set o buy limit no ewa ha. Inti se nya ba from ebeduru 1.3505 na eno a enter automatically ebe buy. Sa nso na sell limit nso ase e kire say wo pese wo bo modern sell at 1.3515 ba say si a ebo ne ye 1.3510 ena e cost to say etu pese ebeduru 1.3515 ansa na obe sell eno no obebo wo modern the sell limit no ato etinye duru 1.3515 ebe entaw ena afenso ye free bibi buy stop nso ekite say o pese o buy euro USD at 1.3 at 1.3510. Nanso say see me no ka say 1.3505. But o kwaya ade enti wo momodin nya ho embe enter wo betimi asset buy stop at this level. It is a gana kasa ba eduru 1.3510 na no enter automatically na enter. Sanso na sell stop nso pack let's say ebo na 1.3510 but o pese wo bomodin enter wo 1.3505. Enti ni obe ni say wo pebo wo modern asset sell stop at 1.3505. Eti gane ba form no edu ha eno ankasa ebe enter automatically. We nyina minimum say ebi mo nti ase de atie ni yesu ade no ye ko ne kwa no yedu chart ne so a mebo mode aye nyoma we nyina a kire ama wate ase. Ye wo trading styles bebre ewo forex gwanim. Obi wo ha o pese obo modern trading e make ni sika animanim ya within a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes eno no edi ne scalp trading. Ene ye wo obi a o pese wo enter ni trader edi e bia 4 hours 5 hours and a day eno say nipa ni din day trader. Ena ye wo obi a wono so enter ni trader or pese edi a day or 2 and a 3 echo or even a week. Some of no so din the swing traders. ɛna yɛwɔ obi a ɔno nso enter ne trader ɔpɛ sɛ edi a month 2 months 3 months ɔmo nso yɛfrɛ ɔmo position traders wei yɛne ankorankora ne ntaa nyɛ adwumakuo na taa yɛ wei but ankorankora taa yɛ scalp day ɛna swing me neɛ m'ani gye wɔn paa yɛ day trading and swing trading scalp trading akɔyɛ te sɛ ɔɔto kyakya ɛnyɛ sɛ meka sɛ ɛyɛ kyakya o but to me asɛ wɔɔto kyakya ne nyinaa mu no trading ɛnyɛ den na wonya atwa honhom sua ɛte nneɛma ase a ɛbɛyɛ wo fo mede foundation for forex no aba na wieyɛ wo asɛm bisa bi a wobɛtumi akyate me ɛwɔ tiktok anaasɛ telegram meda wase